Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of one of the most inspiring figures in Islamic history, Khadijah bint Khuwaylid, the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and a trailblazer in her own right. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're so close to reaching our goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2024, and your support can get us there. Alright, let's jump into the fascinating life of Khadijah, an amazing woman, wife, mother, and businesswoman who changed history. Khadijah bint Khuwaylid holds a unique place in Islamic history as not only the beloved wife of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, but also as the first believer in Islam. Her life was one of strength, resilience, and deep faith, providing an inspiring example that resonates even today. Khadijah was born into a noble and respected family from the Quraysh tribe in Mecca. She was known for her wisdom, intelligence, and integrity from a young age, traits that earned her the nickname Tahira, which means the pure one. In a society where women often had limited roles, Khadijah broke barriers. She grew into an independent and successful businesswoman, managing and expanding her father's trade business. Her enterprise became one of the largest and most respected trading businesses in Mecca, and her reputation as an honest and fair employer spread far and wide. Even though she was highly sought after for marriage, Khadijah valued her independence and only considered proposals from men who shared her values and principles. This independence and determination were unusual for women at the time, and it showcased her strength of character. When Khadijah heard of a young man in Mecca who was known for his honesty and trustworthiness, she became intrigued. This young man was none other than Muhammad ibn Abdullah, a humble trader who had gained a reputation for his impeccable character, known widely as Al-Amin, or the trustworthy. Khadijah decided to hire him to manage one of her trade caravans to Syria. She entrusted him with her business and sent her trusted servant, Maysara, to accompany him. During this journey, Maysara noticed something remarkable about Muhammad. Not only did he conduct her business with honesty and dedication, but he also exhibited kindness and fairness that was rare among traders. When they returned, Maysara eagerly shared his observations with Khadijah, who was deeply impressed. She felt drawn to Muhammad, sensing that he was a man of great character and integrity. Despite being 15 years older than Muhammad, Khadijah saw in him a partner unlike any other. She gathered the courage to propose marriage to him, something considered bold for a woman at the time. With her friend Nafisa as an intermediary, she approached Muhammad, who was honored and agreed. Their marriage was marked by mutual respect, support, and love. Khadijah and Muhammad's union was nothing short of a perfect partnership. They had 6 children together, 2 sons who died young, and 4 daughters. Their home was filled with warmth, love, and understanding. As his wife, Khadijah offered him unwavering support, standing by his side through the most challenging moments of his life. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received his first revelation in the cave of Hira, he was filled with fear and confusion. He returned home, trembling, seeking comfort in Khadijah's arms. It was Khadijah who reassured him, calming his fears with her kindness and words of encouragement. She reminded him of his character, his honesty, and his kindness to others, assuring him that God would never abandon someone like him. Khadijah then took him to her cousin, Waraka ibn Nawfal, a learned Christian scholar, who confirmed that Muhammad was chosen by God to deliver his message. Her unwavering belief in him at this pivotal moment was a testament to her faith and wisdom. Khadijah didn't hesitate to accept Islam. She became the very first believer, marking a historic moment in the birth of Islam. Her early acceptance of the message was a powerful affirmation to the Prophet, providing him with the emotional strength to carry out his mission. In a world that was hostile to his message, Khadijah's support was his anchor, offering a safe haven where he could find comfort and encouragement. Over the years, as Muhammad faced mounting opposition, Khadijah sacrificed her wealth and status to support his mission. She used her resources to help those in need, to protect Muslims from persecution, and to ensure that Muhammad had the means to continue spreading the message. She bore the hardships that came with being associated with him, including the boycotts and social isolation that the early Muslims faced in Mecca. After 25 years of marriage, Khadijah passed away in the 10th year of prophethood, a time that became known as the Year of Sorrow. Her loss was an enormous blow to the Prophet Muhammad. He mourned her deeply, not only as his wife but as his closest confidant, his partner in faith. and his unwavering supporter. Her death left a profound emptiness in his life. Even after her passing, the Prophet Muhammad continued to remember her with immense love and respect. He would often speak of her kindness and loyalty, and he maintained close ties with her family. His enduring love for Khadijah serves as a reminder of her unmatched place in his life. Khadijah's life is a story of resilience, courage, and dedication to faith. She was a woman who embodied strength in a society where women rarely had such a role. As the first believer, she holds a unique place in Islamic history, demonstrating that faith, courage, and kindness can move mountains. Through her unwavering belief and sacrifice, Khadijah laid the foundation for the Muslim community. Her legacy lives on, inspiring generations of Muslims to embrace faith and support each other, just as she did with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Her life is an example for anyone who seeks to make a difference and be a source of strength for those they love. Khadijah's story is a beacon of inspiration, reminding us of the power of faith, love, and resilience. She was truly a remarkable figure whose legacy shines brightly in Islamic history. If her story inspired you, please like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber goal together and keep sharing these incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another inspiring story from Islamic history.